Hey look, there's a right way and a wrong way to wash a car with a water blaster. Today I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. First we're going to remove the heavy soilage from the top down. Now we're going to apply a quality detergent such as Pressure Solutions Car Wash from the bottom up. For best results removing road film, we recommend the use of a quality brush. However, today we're going to push ahead and wash the car from the bottom up. To remove excess detergent, we're going to rinse the car from the top down. Thanks for watching our tutorials. If you have any questions regarding water blasters or how to use them, give our friendly team at Pressure Solutions a call. I'm off to get this beast dirty.